Email marketing is a really powerful tool and could be 20 to 30% of your sales when you're scaling. And it's also very important because it's pushing sales that you're not paying for with ads. And that, of course, gets you a higher profit margin. So, I don't want you to skip this step. When you have a winning product, this is a step to take. As fast as your winning product are starting generating, you should implement email marketing. And the most powerful tools we have with email marketing is the automatic email marketing that we will set up, like abundant checkouts, abundant cart, and follow-up and things like that. We will jump in to the computer and we will do this as a live example with my brand, Cara. So we are jumping into the Shopify dashboard. And what we do here is that we go to apps and we write Omnisend. This is the best app, I think. I have tried them all, like Klaviyo, Mailchimp, everything. But Omnisend is the best, according to me, and it works very easy. So you push install again, and now it's thinking a little bit. And here you should put in your information. It's just your name and things like that, so no problem. I will do that quick. So I have done that. I put in the info mail for Cara Beauty. I put in the password, my name, and what email marketing automation software are you currently using, and that's Shopify email. I agree, get started. And now they have created our Omnisend account. So our Omnisend account looks like this. One thing you can do here is bring your brand on board. That we will do first. We set our brand style. Then all our mails and everything will be with our brand style. So they already took some things from our store. I think we will change that because that was a bad picture and wasn't so good quality of the picture. So we will change that. We will upload our logo. So you see the difference in quality. So we go with that one. Here we have Cara, accent color. That's the correct one. Let's see. We'll put that on this dark also. And here we want Poppins that we are using as a font. So you put your font here. Any social links we don't really have. This is just the ground. You can change this for every email later on. So save brand sets. I will explore on my own. Then you can go to here, upgrade with 30% off. We are on a free plan. This is free to use. And actually in the start, I think you should use the free plan. But the only thing why I upgrade to the next plan, not Pro, standard is good enough, that's $11 a month, is because you get away from the Omnisend branding. And now they have, if you buy 3 months for like $33, you get them for $11 a month. So if you pay $33, then you have this for 3 months. So that's a quite good deal without the Omnisend branding. You can create a Omnisend account that is your company name, and then you have all the stores under that account. I don't do that. I create a new Omnisend account for each store because I think it's easier. And also it's easier for like preparing for the future and things like that. Think in the future, if you should sell the brand or something like that, you don't want the Omnisend account to be in an account where you have a lot of stores. You want a fresh one for one store that you can just give away with the package if you sell it. Because this is also a very powerful tool that raise the value of your brand. If you have collected like say 10,000 email addresses, and that goes very quick, you think that's a lot, but when people are checking out or buying on your store, you get their information, you get their email, you get their phones, you get everything. And when you have all that, that makes the brand a lot more valuable, of course, because you can send out one email to like 8,000 to 10,000 people, and you will sell a lot, of course, on that email. And here you can send SMS and you can send email to your customer. So when they sign up on our store, they get here contacts audience. So they are here, and someone had signed up already on my store. So that's good, because now they are taking the email addresses from Shopify that if they have signed up on Shopify, and someone signed up when we did the test campaign. So that was good. We have 1 people. And of course, it was me testing the store. So, and you can do segments here. Later on, you can do like you have one group that has bought the product, one group that's never bought from your store. So if you have a group, let's say 1,000 email addresses that hasn't bought yet, you can send a different email to them and a different email, of course, to the people who are already bought. So you can send upsell email to them, and you can sell like discount email to them, and you can do a lot. Start with going to store settings. We are on free right now. Email, what I want to go. Brand assets we have already done. Domains, and here you want to add a domain. Send email from your custom domain. Continue. Domain name, carabeauty.store. Continue. And now we need to do this again. So we need to verify our domain. We go into DNS post in our domain again, and this can look a little bit different according to what you have, of course. And what we will do is go to txt text. You will insert it here. Boom. Create. Then we will go to the next one. Here is the name. And you need to take away this Cara Beauty store if your DNS setting already have it here. If you don't, keep it. Copy that one. Create that one. And the last one. Copy that one. Insert it. And I take away this carabeauty.store. Because otherwise it's double, because I already have it here. And I copy that one. So we go in. Check verification. That got verified directly. The other one would take some time. It would take up to 24 hours to do this. When it has been done, 24 hours, you go back to domains here, and you go down here and choose on campaigns and automation. You want to choose then that you use Cara, or not, you shouldn't use Cara, but you should use your store. But now it needs to be verified first. So in 24 hours, you go in here and you change. And that will do. All the mails that you send from here is your mail, info@carabeauty.store in my case. So perfect. Then we go to automation, and here we will just do like this: preview and start workflows. Select the discount code on the third mail. I want 10% on a bounded cart and a bounded checkout. Start workflow. Show my workflows, and that's how easy it is. Now we have a bounded checkout. We have a bounded cart. I also want a welcome, customized workflow, and I will start that workflow also. And then I want one more workflow that is, yes, we can take order confirmation because that's almost the same. So customer enter the workflow. When they pay for an order, then this goes out, and you will see this goes out directly. But that we have from Shopify also. So what I will do, I will put a delay. I will put 1 day update. And then this email goes out. Thanks for your order. There's something to get excited about. And here I will also go in, edit the content. Here's their order, delivery shipping. And down in the footer, take away this, because otherwise they show your address, and that you don't want. This is what I mean with Omnisend. If you pay that $33, they will take this away, so it's not branded. Then I will put a delay, wait for, because, you know, we are doing drop shipping and we are not so quick with our shipping, and that's our biggest fear, of course, that people will start complaining and they do a worst case scenario chargebacks. This will help you with that, because we are following up all the time. So when 7 days has gone, we will copy this and I will put that here. Boom. Then we will go out with a new mail that says your order is soon arriving, or something like that. And then you will go in, and here you can also, of course, change languages. If you're targeting like Denmark or something like that, you can change languages. But we are adding content. And here we can take away, of course, this part. They don't need to show their order again. And we don't have any socials, so we can put that away. That we can put away. No. So, and here I will do like, you can do whatever you want. It's not fun waiting. We feel you, but just wanted to say that your order is soon arriving. Something like that. You will have to, of course, a little bit play around with it by yourself. I will leave a prompt below where I have put together like 3 follow-up mails, 3 mails for a bundle checkout, 3 mails for a bundle cart, and then I want you to go in and change these mails so it's that text, and just change your things because we want this personal. And here you can also, of course, put add elements. You could put image here and things like that to make them more personal for our customer. And that's what I want you to do. Then put finishing editing, and often on this one I will put a delay in the bottom and days and like 47 days. And here I will put a mail where I write like, do you want to reorder or something like that. So we will try to keep them coming back. But like I said, I will put a prompt below with in the prompt it will be 3 welcome, 3 mails for the order follow-up, and it will be 3 mails for a bundle checkout and 3 mails for a bundle cart. They are the same, and 3 mails for welcome also. So then I want you to go in, just copy it from the prompt and go in and paste it in here. Like I said, go in, take away this, the address we don't want, don't have any social media. So this is a one job. You do this once and then you don't need to do it anymore, and you have this automatic. So do this correct and do this really nice so they look nice. Here, center it, if you want it centered, of course. Play around a little bit with the sizes, everything like that. So it gets really personal and branded according to your style. Then you can also go and preview and test. You can send a test mail to yourself, or you can look how it looks on mobile also. It doesn't work right now when I will show you, but you can do that. So that's what I want to do. I don't want you to just push this automatic and get this mail that Omnisend has write for you. I want you to either ask ChatGPT to write it for you, or you use my prompt that's below. But what I want you to do is use this. I want you to have the abandoned checkout, the abandoned cart, welcome, and order confirmation. On abandoned checkout and abandoned cart, we send out a mail that you have left us without doing the purchase. So please, what's wrong, blah, 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 or something like that. And in the next mail, we offer them 10% discount if they will go forward with their order. And that's really, really good. You will see a lot of sales coming from that. On the welcome mail, it's when someone signs up on our website to our email. Then we go out also with, you get the 10% for signing up on your first order. And order confirmation, we are following up the order, and you can do, I did 2, but you can do like 3, 4 to follow up the order. We know that it takes around 7 to 8 days to get the package. So we can follow up after 3 days, 4 days, and then you won't get so much mails to your customer service, and that's perfect. And then I follow up that one with a mail, because this is customer that's hot. They have already bought from us, so I'm following up in like 1.5 months later that did you like the product, do you want to buy one more? So that's the 4 automations I always have on my store. Then we go to here on campaigns. Here you can create campaigns later on when you have an email list. You can send out emails here that you customize by yourself, and the customer will get an email. You can send out, like one of my brands, we always send out 2 every week. So we send out on Tuesdays and on Saturdays every week. And we send out like reviews, we send out discount codes. This week only for VIP customers, it's free shipping, things like that. And this generates a lot of sales, and you don't need to put money to get the sale. It's a really good complement to your paying ads. So this is what I want to do right now. Set up your email marketing campaign and use the prompt below to copy and paste and get this really good. And if you want it even more branded to your ICP, I will suggest that take the prompt, put it into ChatGPT in your conversation you have that you have already built the landing page and everything on. Put it in there and said, can you customize this exactly to my ICP with my brand? And they will rewrite it a little bit so you will get it perfect. So that's what I want you to do. Let's see each other in the next video.